Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I have a super exciting package in front of me. So this is my advent calendar from Girl Boss Anna. I have some of her other washi tapes. The skinny ones are Happy Planner, but these in front are a Girl Boss Anna. I use them for work quite a bit. So what these are is they're kind of like clear see-through overlays. Let me get one out and show you guys. I have such long nails today. This is going to be a little bit of a hassle. So I used most of them. I haven't used like 3 or 4, but all of the other ones are used. And I put this green thing back on so I know where they are. Anyway, these are kind of like the overlays, and I use them for to-dos and priorities in my work planner. Let me open one up for you guys and show you what it looks like. They're really, really lovely. So they're kind of like little clouds, and when you put them on, you can write on them, but I put them over the stuff I write, or simply write on them like my to-dos or priorities, and they look super chic. In my work planner, as you guys know, I decorate very, very little in my work planner, so that's kind of how this goes. So these live in here, and now I'm gonna open her advent calendar. I ordered this like 3 months ago, I want to say, or 2.5 months ago. So this is her first one. I don't know what's in here. I'm not sure what it's going to look like, but I'm super, super excited. So I'm sure it's going to be more tapes. Anyway, so really quickly, let's open this. If this is your first time in my channel, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thanks for choosing to spend time with me yet again. I'm going to cut this open just a little bit more because I want to take them out properly and not ruin the whole thing. So, okay, so here's the box. Okay, this is the clear box that comes in it. Okay, a note from Anna. Thank you for your support. You are one of the first to see our new brand name on this advent calendar. Thank you for continuous support, especially during this time. It means the world to me, and I want you to know that. Merry Christmas. With love, Anna. So they're changing the name. They're rebranding. Whoa, it's going to be Narrative Hues. So as you can see, it already says Narrative Hues 2022 Advent Box. Okay, let's start with, I'm gonna go in order, you guys. I am going to go in order. So we're gonna open all of them on this video because I don't have the patience to do one by one. Let's be honest. It's planner stuff, and I'm not waiting a week to open this. So here we go. The first tape. Okay, and it looks like her saying is bring plan and paper to life. Bring plans and paper to life. And her new company name is Narrative Hues. How cool is that? So it's not going to be Girl Boss Anna anymore. Okay. I really, really do like her. Even her logo is so cute. It's like a little washi rainbow. Anyway, so this is a super large. It's a single washi tape, so it must be like an overlay. Let's take a look really, really fast. So we have, whoa, these are like clouds, you guys, in different colors. This is so awesome. And then it repeats itself, and these are perforated, so you can rip each one individually. Whoa, I'm gonna have so much fun with this, you guys. I'm already excited. Wow. Okay, so that was the first one. Already love it. I can't wait. Ah, Anna, you're making me smile here. Okay, I'm gonna open up a second one with the help of tweezers, because yeah, that's me. So again, second box, all of them are labeled. I will pull off this plastic cover. Let me put all of this packaging aside, and then we'll take a look at what this is. This is a tiny one. I love to use these for underlining important stuff in my planner. So instead of taking a pen and underlining, I'll take a color like this that's small, and put it right under the task or like a sentence. I love, 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 love using these. Like I said, this lives in my work planner. I usually do more decorative stuff in my other planners, but this is like the holy grail of stuff. Okay, here you guys go. So these are like small little clouds that you put underneath your words or sentences or plans or whatever you want to highlight. And I'm assuming this is very similar, just different colors. So let's see. So that's 3. Woohoo! Let's open this. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, let's see. I'm so excited. What color is this? Is this like gray? Is this gray brown? It looks like it's gray brown, you guys. Oh, yes, very, very nude. My favorite. Okay, let me put this back on, or at least try to roll it up, and we'll go to number 4. I'm super excited about all of these really cute goodies she put in this advent calendar. It was worth the wait. And so that's the 3rd. Now, yeah, I broke it. Sorry, you guys, I broke it. It no longer looks very pretty. Okay, number 4. Okay, there's a couple things. Girl Boss Anna things. Cute. Is this more clouds? Anna, is this more clouds? I'm so excited to see what this is. Okay, I'm gonna flip this over because there's no way of getting this out without breaking the whole box. Okay, I got it. You guys, long nails are such a struggle, I swear. I don't know why I did this, but we were downtown and I came home and the box was waiting for me, and immediately, like, it's straight out of my mailbox onto my desk, like super quick. Okay, anyway, so here we go. I'm gonna open this. It's probably more clouds. Probably, let's see. Okay, so let's open that one and compare it to the other ones. This just makes my little heart so happy. I love washi, but I love especially creative washi. So if you guys watch my channel, you know that I even love the washi inside of the sticker box. Ooh, more clouds. Okay, and I broke it. Of course, that's me. It's okay. I can use that piece for layering, but it is perforated, so they're super pretty. So you get yellow, blue, like mauve and pink. They're beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on really quickly, and then I will go ahead and use them very soon. I can't wait. Probably sometime in January, because December is definitely my Christmas spreads. Anyway, so let me see if I can open this whole box instead of doing one by one, because I'm having trouble taking these products out. So I'm just gonna start. Ooh, okay, I see. This is lovely. So it comes with 3 more gray tapes. It's kind of like the ones I showed you on the in the beginning of the video where I pulled out of my drawer. These are like lightest to darkest pink shades. So if like they go all the way to like plum wine. Beautiful. So we have gray ones, and then we have these in like pink mauve. So I'm not gonna open these because I already showed you what those would look like. I did open the ones I had no clue what they look like. I'm gonna put everything back in the box and show you guys what it is. I'm super excited about this, and I'll be filming a plan with me very soon. But if you were wondering what this advent calendar had inside and what it entailed, well, this is it. So it was actually really fun to unpackage. I think the packaging is so classic and beautiful. It's definitely my style. So here we go. And I hope you guys will have a good day. Again, if you are, this is no longer available. This was basically a Christmas box from Girl Boss Anna, and like I said, her company name is changing to Narrative Hues starting Monday. So that will be super soon. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you very soon for another video as always. Anyway, sorry about being so horrible about opening this box. I don't know why, but it possessed a challenge for me. So you get quite a few tapes in this box if you are wondering. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you got one of these, and I'll talk to you very soon. Thanks for joining today and have a good day. Bye!